All right, if your car or garage see a lot of action, you're definitely going to check out this Shop-Vac. This one right here is the 5-gallon wet dry vacuum, and this one may be for you. Now you've got 3-in-1 power here. You have super strong suction for dry messes, quick cleanup for wet spills, and it doubles as a blower to clean out sawdust and leaves from your garage in seconds. The 4-horsepower motor provides strong suction, making it great for cleaning out your car or for even tackling bigger messes in your garage. Now this comes with everything you need right out of the box. A 6-foot hose, 3 extension wands, a wet and dry floor nozzle, a crevice tool, filters, foam sleeve, and even a filter bag. So basically everything you need to get started right out of the box. Now for regular everyday dry messes or even ones with a little bit of liquid, you can keep this filter installed and use it just like it is. And if you're dealing with fine dust particles, you can actually throw on the filter bag. But for cleaning up liquid, you're gonna wanna take this filter off, just kind of pull it off just like this. It comes right out. And you're gonna take this filter sleeve here, place it right over top, just like this, and you're good to go. Now what's really convenient is the portability. It's got smooth rolling casters, a fold down handle on top, and all the accessories store right into the body so nothing gets lost. And you add the 13-foot power cord and you've got some serious range without having to drag the unit around constantly. It's built tough too with a stainless steel tank, and with a name like Shop-Vac, you know that this one's gonna hold up well. So whether you're dealing with sawdust, spills, or just general chaos, this thing handles it all. It's definitely one of those tools you're gonna be glad you picked up. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.